So today I'll be showing you how to restore closed tabs in Google Chrome. Now, if you've closed one tab, for instance, if I close this tab just like that and quickly realize I shouldn't have closed it, then I can recover that tab or reopen that tab by simply right-clicking on an empty space in the tab section there. Simply right-click and then select Reopen Closed Tab, and that tab is actually going to be restored just like that. Simple as that. Now let's say you close a whole window, like this one has 7 tabs, and you close it and then realize you shouldn't have closed that tab. Then what you can do is launch Google Chrome back again, and with Google Chrome launched, simply click on the 3 dots in the top right corner and then go to History, and then under History, before you click on History, down here you should see the most recently closed window. It had 7 tabs. So as you can see here, it says 7 tabs, and I have the option to restore the window with the 7 tabs. So if I click on that, it's going to restore all my 7 tabs. And that's basically how to restore closed tabs in Google Chrome. Thanks for watching, and good luck.